Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and we're going to do some vegetable seeds and transplanting.
Today we are going to transplant these vegetables. We have onions, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. When transplanting, you take the plant out of the container and carefully spread out the roots so they don't grow into a root ball. Dig a small hole slightly larger than the root base and lightly fill the open areas with dirt. Then repeat the process with all your transplants until you are done. Don't forget to give them a nice good soaking of water to help the roots get a good start. Next we do some vegetable seeds. We are going to plant lots of lettuce, some cabbage, and a few squash. When planting seeds, always read the package and follow the seed spacing requirements. Water daily until you have good growth like you see here, about 8 weeks later.
That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.